Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Again, as I indicated yesterday, the having some computer issues, so having to use another computer, and we are doing this update after market. So, with that in mind, we have one economic news release today, and that is the consumer sentiment. This is the second reading that came in for the month of July. The previous reading showed 83.9, so a pretty decent number there, and the basic came. It was supposed to come in the forecast a little bit about the same, and it jumped up to 85.1. So it was good news. It was actually the highest rating we've seen in about 6 years. So obviously good news for the market. So speaking of market, we'll jump over to the headline news. Now, after being down quite a bit today, the stock market had a huge rebound. It was actually the Dow was down as much as 100 points for today, and actually closed upwards. So, big rebound in the market. A lot of it had to do with earnings reports coming up, and then of course consumer sentiment kind of help those out as well. So let's go ahead and see what the bond market did today. Now we still have a slight upward trend here. If you look at, we did close up above where we left off yesterday, which was 100.78 was where we left off, and we closed up 100.84. So basically, we just gained about 6 basis points. Not a lot, but some improvement. We had a little bit better in the day, and then some money was pulled out for the, as you can see down. We end up closing it down 3 basis points. Due to the stock market. So obviously next week will be kind of important to see where we go. We're still trying to close that opening gap. That'll be important to close up that we had on Wednesday, primarily because if we don't close it, that becomes a lot stronger resistance for us, and that could push bonds further lower even further. And obviously we don't want that, primarily because that means interest rates are going up. So we want the market keep going upwards, which will drive interest rates down. So slight improvement in the interest rates. Mostly on the price side, you probably won't see it on the rate side of things, meaning that it doesn't mean it's going to improve by 1/8 of a percent. It'll probably be more on the pricing side of things. All right, folks. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. See you guys on Monday, and thanks for watching.